Unraveling the Mystery. The phrase, Big Wig Explained. Hello, wonderful language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat quirky phrase in the English language, big wig. This phrase is not only interesting in its usage but also rich in history. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, its origin, and how to use it correctly in conversation. Big wig is an idiomatic expression in English, used to refer to someone who is very important or influential, especially in a particular sphere. Think of high-ranking officials, CEOs, or prominent figures in any field. It's often used in a slightly informal and sometimes humorous context. The history of big wig is quite literal and dates back to the 17th century. During this period, wigs were a fashion statement among the European aristocracy. The size and elaborateness of one's wig often signified their social status or wealth. The bigger and more extravagant the wig, the more powerful or wealthy the person was considered. Hence, important people were often seen wearing the largest wigs, leading to the term big wig for influential individuals. Let's see how to use big wig in everyday conversations. 1. She's a real big wig in the publishing industry. 2. I heard a few big wigs from the company will attend the meeting. 3. It's not every day you get advice from a big wig like him. Notice how the phrase can be used to describe people in various professional and social contexts. While big wig is understood and used in many English-speaking countries, it's crucial to understand its slightly informal tone. It's more appropriate for casual conversations, creative writing, or journalistic contexts, rather than very formal or academic writing. And there you have it. The phrase, big wig, is a colorful part of the English language, painting a picture of importance and influence with roots deep in history. Hopefully, this video has given you a clearer understanding and confidence to use big wig in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.